Do you want to reach your audience without creating an entire video? Watch this video for an overview over the YouTube Community tab. It lets you reach your audience outside of your videos. In this video, I will explain you what is the YouTube Community tab, what are community posts. I will show you how to create one and how to get most out of it to build an audience. Hello and welcome to the Tubix YouTube channel. I'm Jan Fassbender from So geht YouTube, and to get access to the YouTube Community tab you need 1,000 subscribers. After this it usually takes 1 or 2 weeks and you get access to this tool. On the Community tab you can create community posts with either just text, with images, with animated GIFs, with polls, or a link to other videos on YouTube. Subscribers can see community posts in their subscription feed. They might also get push notifications, but your community posts can also be seen by other viewers outside of your subscribers on the YouTube homepage. To create a YouTube community post on your computer or on your smartphone, go to your YouTube channel and then you will find the tab Community. There you can create a post and add either a poll, an image, or a video, or nothing at all. If you want to greet fans or other creators, you can use @mentions by writing an @ symbol and the name of the channel. If you're done, click on Post. You can also plan your community post for a specific date. If you have channel memberships, you can create posts only for members of a specific level of your memberships. Okay, so that's basically how they work, but what should you do with them? Here are some tips on how to use the YouTube Community tab most effectively. In my experience, different types of posts work better than others. Polls, for example, are usually the best with the most interaction, followed by GIFs, followed by images, followed by just plain text posts, and videos usually get the least interaction. If you have no idea what to use the Community tab for, here are some suggestions. You could use it for announcements. You can use it for behind-the-scenes material. You can ask your audience for suggestions for videos, questions, for changes on the channel. You can also do audience research and try to find things out about your audience and what they like. You can also get more personal on the Community tab and share personal images and more about your personal life than in the videos. You can also use the Community tab for a very specific trick and create a poll that is published like a day or a couple hours before a video about the topic of the video. If a viewer interacts with your poll and just gives an answer, and a lot of people interact with polls, they are just a little bit more likely to click on the video because they have already interacted with the topic. To analyze the performance of your post, go into your YouTube Analytics, click on Engagement and scroll a little bit down to see your top posts. Here you can see the impressions and the likes for your posts. What worked? What didn't? What can you learn from past posts for your future posts? An important thing is to not forget to use the community post regularly. As YouTube is a video platform, we're all naturally focused on creating videos, and therefore we can forget to use the community posts rather quickly. So try to make sure and include them in your editorial calendar to not forget about creating community posts. If you want to learn how to build your brand on YouTube, check out our YouTube guide for brands. That's it for this video. I hope I helped you with this video. That's it from me. Bye, your Jan.